In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age on Discord Mobile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So you cannot do this by the Discord app, so first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to the browser of your choice, whether that's Google Chrome, Firefox, whichever you wish to use. Select on Google Chrome, and then you will need to search for Discord support. And then once you search for Discord support, click on the top search result there, and then click on the 3 lines in the top right corner right next to sign in. And when you click on that, you will need to select submit a request. Once you select submit a request, you'll be presented with this page here. So what can we help you with? Click on the drop down menu, and you are going to want to find trust and safety. Click on trust and safety, and then it will bring up another form and some more drop down menus. So go ahead now and enter in your email address for your Discord account. Once you've entered in your email address, you need to click on the drop down menu where it says how can we help. Click on that, and then you will need to select appeals, age update and other questions, and then click on the next drop down menu and then select update my age information. Once you select that, what you will get is a little box there where you can enter in your date of birth. So go ahead, enter in your date of birth. Once you have entered in your date of birth, what you'll need to do is select this little checkbox, select that, and then put in the subject, so age change. And then once you have done that, you can go ahead and put in a description if you want to do that. So you can put in a description, so age change. And then once you have done that, you will need to add some form of photo ID. And then once you've done that, you can click on the submit button. And then all you need to do then is wait for Discord to change your age. So that's how you can go ahead and change your age on Discord Mobile.